Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator session and the laptop is stable. This matters because querying system secrets requires elevated rights. Once done, open Start, type PowerShell and choose Run as administrator. Do not use a standard window. You can also disable Fast Startup temporarily if you suspect firmware-stored keys may not display. Make sure to save work first. Elevated tools can prompt for restarts. Now you're ready to run the command to extract the product key. Now you'll execute the specific command that reads Windows licensing info. Paste the WMI command and hit Enter. It returns the OA3X original product key if the key is embedded in firmware. If that comes back empty, try the alternate CIM-based command, which enumerates licensing products and may reveal partial or full keys. When a key appears, copy it carefully, transcription errors are common, and paste it into a secure note or password manager. Note why, you'll need the exact 25-character key for activation or reinstallation. Finish by validating the key. Go to Settings, System, Activation, and enter the key or run slmgr. VBS/IPK in an elevated command prompt to install it. If activation fails, make sure the Windows edition matches the key and that your device is online. Often digital licenses are tied to a Microsoft account rather than a visible key. If no key is found in firmware, reach out to the laptop maker for embedded keys or rely on a digital license recovery through your Microsoft account as the primary troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.